Hey everybody, this your favorite girl, Chevy girl, under the fucking Beamer. But this is what the fuck it looks like. I don't do videos often of me working on cars, but I work on cars. But this is what the fuck it looks like when you running into a problem. Now I got this crank sensor out my block. And you see that? I got it out the block. It's always gonna be something. Something. Why I can't get these two prongs to disconnect this damn crank sensor so I can put my new part on? You know, it's always something. So yeah. Your girl changing out parts. I've been changing out parts. But this is for the Beamer. So we're up under the BMW. Changing the crank sensor. And this little bitch is giving me motherfucking hell. It's only one bolt. One bolt. Here we go. Let's see if we can get over here. One bolt. Held by Allen screw. Took me a minute to get that out. And it's just a plug-in. 3-prong plug. I need to put my new part on. This is irritating me so bad. And I'm sick. And I'm broke down. And I'm working on my own car myself. Pray for me. Please.